The show where you were at the water park, did you rent out the whole water park, or were you there with regular people who were there?
I was there with my stunt woman.
No, we rented out the place, and it was actually really cool because on lunch break we could go on all the rides.
It was freezing.
That's all that she thinks about.
It was so cold. It was, well, and we were wearing wetsuits again. I've never worn a wetsuit so many times in my life as on this show. We had to do something where we're swimming underwater to hit a mark.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm blind and didn't have my contacts in, and we were so cold, we had wetsuits on, and thank God for Brian because we were underwater, and I don't know where I'm going. And Brian would get me to my mark, and then we had to come up kissing in the water as some disgusting person floated by.
That was, no, Jimmy had rented, didn't you spend like $10,000 on water heating?
We actually heated
yeah.
the water. We scouted the location, and we were told that the waterfall was recirculating the water that was in the pool, and so if we heated the water in the pool, that they would be in warm water. Now we brought the heaters out, and this poor guy sat out there all night long to make sure the heaters didn't go out. And we turn on the waterfall, and during the course of the day, the water gets colder and colder. It's a different water supply, and so all the heating of the water was for naught, as Jane and Brian got in the water. And
we actually had
Very
to
good
change the
sports.
script a little bit for the to actually film in a water park. 'Cause I think we had at one point Malcolm or Justin throws a jock strap in
Diaper, I think it
Frankie's
was.
face. Yeah, originally it was a diaper, a baby's diaper, a wet baby's diaper, and.
You know, that was a lot of fun. We went on location for really the first time, actually stay in a hotel. We had a blast, didn't
That was,
we?
yeah.
We should do that some more.
We should go to
don't you think?
Hawaii or something.
other shows go to Europe. We go to Irvine.
Yeah. We've hit all this about Irvine, Acton,
Oh,
Acting
Gardena.
twice, actually.
so hot.
It's either
Nothing
too
good
hot or
happens
too
to the
cold.
family, so we can't film anywhere nice.
We were in a car in Acton. It was a traffic jam. It was the first episode of the season. And inside the car, there were all the lights to make it light in the car, and there was a thermometer. It was 135 degrees in that car. Yeah.
But you were sitting.
But I was sitting.